Today we will discuss about the single tone and the double tone hair. What is the difference between single tone and the double tone hair? You get two qualities in hair these days, that is single tone hair and the double tone hair. Single tone hair bundle is mixture with various length from short to long. It has the appearance of a natural human head which has all types of length, and it seems thicker from head but thinner from ends. On the other hand, double tone hair bundle is the quality from which all of shorter hair has been removed and only one uniform length is left. This creates a more uniform thickness all over the bundles, like this. Length is same over here and over here, and this is called double tone hair. Now you can see the difference between the single tone hair and the double tone hair. Double tone hair is like it's a thinner at the end and thicker over here at the head, and double tone hair is the same thickness you will get at the head and same thickness at the end. So this is the difference between the single tone and the double tone hair.